Hey there, world changers. Welcome to this video series that goes together with my book, How to Save the World. My name's Katie Patrick. I'm an environmental engineer and a designer, and I've been obsessed by the psychology and the design of what makes environmental and social change happen. The title of this book is How to Save the World. It's a pretty big and bold title, right? So what is this all about? Now, when we're trying to solve big problems in the world like deforestation and climate change and extinction of species and gender and racial equality, the thing is that we know what we need to do to change it. We know we need more solar power. We know we need to get rid of coal. We know we need to stop putting plastic in the oceans. But there's been an enormous gap in terms of how we actually bring all these changes about. And when we really start getting into the how, as opposed to the what we realize that is in this gap is the psychology of human influence. We need to be able to understand how to influence people, to start taking on these behaviors, to start building these movements, and to start getting corporations and governments and individuals and homeowners and schools to start embracing all of these changes. And I have spent years studying the academic research into what it takes to make environmental change happen. And I've been studying game design, which is how you actually motivate people using computer and different types of design interfaces to get people to go along a journey, to actually do whatever it is you want them to do. And all the stuff I've learned has had a phenomenal effect on my insights and my ability to start coming up with really good projects and apps and software and campaigns and ideas for really trying to change the world. Getting involved in big world issues doesn't need to be a depressing doom and gloom situation where you wake up every morning crying and miserable about the state of the planet. Changing the world should be your greatest adventure and your greatest art form. And when you start getting into these techniques that we learn from behavioral psychology, from data and computer science, and from game design, you can start building a plan to change the world that is truly an adventure, and you can make it as fun as a game. I think that devoting your life to trying to change the world and to make everything better and to solve big, serious world problems is the greatest adventure, the greatest creative adventure that you can devote your life to. And my hope is that in this book, with the style that I've written it, that's optimistic and fun and creative and upbeat, along with these very rigorous, academically backed up, sound techniques of how to influence people to join your cause, you'll be able to discover amazing ideas for your next startup or your next project, or how to improve things at your company or in your department. You'll be able to find them as if they're little buds about to bloom or Easter eggs about to hatch in the big garden of the world. And you'll really start to make changing the world the greatest game we've ever played, which I truly believe that it is. So let's get started diving into the book. Make sure you get a copy. It's on Amazon, it's on Audible if you like audiobook, or you can get the PDF and the audiobook from my website for only $25. But do get a copy so you can read through in more detail as we go through the videos. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment, and sign up to my website, katiepatrick.com. And once you've got the book, let's jump in to the next video and start learning how to save the world. I mean, what else would you want to do with your life but save the world? There's nothing better. I'll see you in the next video.